In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of connecting your automation workflows using Make and Typeform. This powerful combination allows you to streamline your data collection and take immediate action on every response you receive. To start, head over to your main dashboard on Make.com. Once you are in your workspace, look for that large plus icon sitting right in the center of your screen and give it a click. This will open up the App Selection menu, where you can simply type in Typeform to find it in the extensive app library. After you select Typeform, the next important move is to decide exactly what you want your automation to do by choosing your triggers or actions. For most people, you will likely choose the Watch Responses trigger, which means Make will stay alert and spring into action every single time a new person completes your form. Once that is set, it is time to connect your accounts. You just need to click the Add button and follow the simple authorization prompts to link your Typeform account securely to the Make platform. Now that the connection is live, the final and most creative step is to map your data to any subsequent modules in your workflow. This is where the real magic happens, because you can take the specific answers from your form and automatically send them to other apps like a Google Sheet, an email notification, or even your favorite CRM. By dragging and dropping these data fields into place, you ensure that every piece of information goes exactly where it needs to be without any manual entry on your part. This seamless integration saves you a massive amount of time and effort every single day. If you follow these straightforward steps, you will have a high-functioning automated system that turns simple form submissions into powerful business results in no time at all. It really is that easy to get started today.